Okay, that's my Lousy cooling system from empty coffee jar. With my CPU fan right there. It's lousy because you know, the glue is melting the plastic. So there you have it. Portable air cooler from empty coffee jug. I mean plastic jug. You can feel it's cold. If you have a small room, so yeah, I'm still going to like connect this to the USB, so while you're on the computer you can just, you know, this cold air blowing to your face and plug into the USB. Right? Okay, there you go, guys. Coffee air cooler, air conditioned.